So there's lockers around Nagoya. What you need to do is to put your stuff in, close it, press this button, and then it will show you this one is locked. You press the number, pay by cash, put money in, okay, and then afterwards they will give you a receipt. Hold on to it because the QR code will help you open the locker afterwards, so don't get rid of it. Or if the best way would be take a picture of your receipt, then you can also use your phone screen to unlock it.
Please select the action you wish to
So now you need to press remove your bag. So use the ticket that you got from before. We took a photo on our phone to show you that it works. Beep. Then it's unlocked. Then take your stuff out. Ta-da!